Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can switch characters. So guys, in order to switch characters, all you need to do is just tap on the character that you want to switch to. I'm playing Genshin Impact via iPhone, so I do not need to press a specific button. I just need to tap on their icon, and as you can see, I'm constantly switching between characters like these. Genshin is a party setup game, so you must make use of all your characters like this. And guys, that's how you switch characters in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.